How many times have you tried to focus on one thing, but your mind kept wandering? How long can you maintain your attention in one place? 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or are you capable of staying focused for hours? Today, we will show you how you can extend your concentration span and achieve great results thanks to it. Scattered focus. Scattered focus is when our attention is divided among multiple tasks. It represents multitasking at its peak, where we engage in various activities simultaneously. Scattered focus can also manifest as a wandering mind, making it challenging to concentrate on one task while constantly thinking about something else. Unfortunately, this scattered mode tends to be the default for many individuals, as their attention is constantly divided among different stimuli. The human brain faces limitations when switching from one task to another. It doesn't seamlessly transition between tasks, but instead needs to load the context of each task into working memory. Continuously shifting attention between multiple tasks forces the brain to repeatedly load and reload contexts, resulting in significant energy exhaustion. Therefore, individuals often feel exhausted without making substantial progress on any task. Directed focus. On the other hand, directed focus embodies the essence of concentration. It involves intentionally directing our attention toward a single action while disregarding all other distractions. People with directed focus approach tasks with precision, pouring all their energy and abilities into achieving a singular objective. By eliminating the noise and clutter associated with scattered focus, they achieve a higher level of efficiency and productivity. They maximize their mental resources, leading to accomplishing more in less time. To enhance concentration and make the most out of your focus, there are several effective strategies that can be employed. Minimize distractions. To create an environment conducive to focused work, it's essential to minimize distractions. Start by turning off notifications on your devices to avoid constant interruptions. Designate specific periods of uninterrupted work where you can fully concentrate on the task at hand. Find a quiet space with minimal external disturbances, whether it's a dedicated workspace or a quiet corner in your home. Practice mindfulness. Cultivating the habit of being present in the moment is a powerful tool for improving focus. Mindfulness techniques, such as deep breathing exercises and meditation, can help train your mind to let go of distractions and anchor your attention to the present task. By practicing mindfulness regularly, you can develop greater awareness of your thoughts and emotions, allowing you to redirect your focus back to the task at hand whenever your mind starts to wander. Before we continue, we would like to express our gratitude for your support. We appreciate every comment, like, and subscription. Thank you very much. It means really a lot to us. Prioritize tasks. Identifying and prioritizing tasks is key to effective focus and productivity. Begin by determining the most important tasks that align with your goals or have pressing deadlines. By focusing on one task at a time, you can give it your full attention and energy, resulting in more efficient and high-quality work. Prioritization allows you to channel your focus on tasks that truly matter. Break tasks into smaller steps. Large and complex tasks can be overwhelming, leading to scattered focus and a lack of progress. To combat this, break down big tasks into smaller, more manageable steps. By dividing the task into actionable subtasks, you create a clear roadmap for completion. Focusing on one step at a time helps to alleviate overwhelm and provides a sense of progress and momentum. Enhance mental and physical well-being. Taking care of your mental and physical well-being is crucial for maintaining optimal focus. Engage in activities that support cognitive function, such as regular exercise. Physical activity increases blood flow to the brain, promotes mental clarity, and reduces stress. Additionally, nourish your body with nutritious foods that provide essential nutrients for brain health. Stay hydrated throughout the day, as even mild dehydration can negatively impact cognitive performance. Utilize visualization techniques. Visualization is a powerful technique for enhancing motivation and focus. Create a mental image of the successful completion of your tasks. Visualize yourself accomplishing each task with precision and success. This technique helps create a sense of purpose and clarity, making it easier to stay engaged and committed to the task at hand. By vividly imagining the desired outcome, you can boost your motivation and reinforce your focus on achieving your goals. Visualization serves as a mental anchor, guiding your attention and reminding you of the ultimate objective, thereby enhancing your ability to stay focused and driven. Take regular breaks. Allowing yourself regular breaks is crucial for sustaining focus and preventing mental fatigue. Stepping away from work periodically allows your mind to recharge and refresh. Engage in activities that provide a mental and physical break, such as going for a short walk, practicing relaxation techniques, or enjoying a moment of leisure. These breaks help prevent burnout, enhance overall well-being, and improve productivity when you return to your tasks. Remember to strike a balance between focused work and rejuvenating breaks to optimize your ability to maintain prolonged concentration. In conclusion, the power of focus is a valuable skill that significantly impacts our productivity and success. Developing the ability to focus on a single task for extended periods allows us to make the most of our mental resources, achieve greater efficiency, and accomplish more in less time. During the video, we also discussed various factors that can disrupt our focus. Some of these factors are connected to the functioning of a substance known as dopamine. If you want to learn more about dopamine, make sure to check out our upcoming video. If you're interested in mindfulness techniques and how to incorporate them into your daily life, take a look at this video. Regardless of your choice, we sincerely appreciate your viewership and wish you success and happiness on your personal development journey.